WDHN discovering the Dothan Pediatric Clinic has tested a little over 170 kids for COVID-19, and one came back positive after being exposed by a family member who had tested positive. Ileana Capion caught up with Dr. Michael Ramsey. He shared the changes that they made to protect patients and staff of that clinic.
For many patients, doctor care has changed in the past few months, and that's no different here at the Dothan Pediatric Center. You'll have a staff member come out to your car, ask you a series of questions, and then go back in and come and get you when it's time to see the doctor.
It's been really challenging with the changes with COVID-19. Some of the things that we've been doing to try to help minimize risk for our patients is scheduling appointments and people who have illnesses or concerns that don't consist of fever and cough and cold, scheduling those patients in the morning and then reserving the afternoons for patients with fever and more acute illnesses and cough and cold.
While the clinic has made changes to follow CDC guidelines, they've seen fewer patients coming in for checkups and vaccines, which could cause problems down the line.
It is important to continue to keep those vaccines up to date, keep those other things current. So if I could say one thing, I would say I would encourage people to come in and get those vaccines that are needed. Don't wait to the last minute to get those back-to-school vaccines.
The Dothan Pediatric Clinic opened up a specialty clinic off of the Montgomery Highway where they will have doctors who specialize in pediatric pulmonary, neurology, cardiology, GI, endocrine, and adolescent treatments.
One of the things that I think is kind of unique about the clinic is the adolescent doctors. So for people who are graduating from high school but maybe not ready to move on to another provider, these doctors are going to be able to see patients up till 24 years of age.
Dr. Ramsey says they've seen a spike in depression and anxiety linked to the pandemic. The Dothan Pediatric Specialty Clinic has counseling services associated with their clinic for students who are having a hard time with the sudden break of classes and end-of-year activities. In Dothan, Ileana Capion, WDHN.
As always, we thank all those at the Dothan Pediatric and Specialty Clinic who are working on the front lines handling COVID-19 for our little ones.